In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Google Analytics 4, whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to data analytics. Understanding how to effectively create and customize a dashboard is an invaluable skill that can help you gain insights into your website's performance with ease. Let's dive into the steps to make your very own dashboard. First, you'll want to head over to the admin panel, which is a central hub for setting up and managing your account. From the admin panel, navigate to Reports, and from there, you'll find an option called Library. This library is a repository within Reports where you can manage, organize, and create the reports that will feed into your dashboard. Think of it as a library of all the data presentations that are available to you. Once you're in the library, it's time to create an overview report. Sometimes referred to as a dashboard, an overview report provides a snapshot of your most important metrics and insights. To start creating this, simply click on the option to Create New Report and choose Overview Report from the options available. Alternatively, if there's an existing report that's almost perfect, you can customize and adapt that one to better fit your needs. The next step is where you can get creative and really tailor the dashboard to meet your specific requirements. You now have the ability to add up to 16 cards, which can include charts, tables, and various metrics. This step leverages a drag-and-drop interface, making it intuitive to add new filters, change the charts, or reorder the cards in a way that makes the most sense for you. This interface is user-friendly, allowing you to visually map out the data as you see fit. A little tip here is to think about what data you absolutely need at a glance and focus on those metrics when selecting your cards. Once you're satisfied with how your dashboard looks and functions, it's crucial to make sure you save your work. After saving, you have the option to publish this report to a collection. By doing so, it will become part of your main navigation, making it easily accessible to you and anyone else you choose to share it with. This is particularly useful for team scenarios, where you want to ensure everyone has access to consistent data insights. Finally, accessing your newly created dashboard is simple. It will now appear under the Reports section, complete with your chosen collections organization, making it straightforward to find and use as needed. From here, you're all set to dive deep into your analytics, ensuring that you're well-informed and equipped to make data-driven decisions. Creating a dashboard in Google Analytics 4 may seem complex at first glance, but with these steps, you'll find the process both manageable and rewarding. Enjoy digging into your data with these custom dashboards.